I am here again. I'm so glad to share today's cooking with you. How to make simple rice noodles with veggies. So get your rice noodles, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, celery, carrot, eggs, mixed spices, garlic, bouillon cubes, salt, butter, light soy sauce, and vegetable oil. The best way to live healthy is knowing about what you eat. Simple adjustments or additions can make a big difference. When you have all your beautiful colors of veggies, it looks so pleasing to the eyes, but their true beauty is in the nutrients they give. Do you know how good green bell peppers are? Let me start by saying, for a very firm and flawless skin care, green bell peppers are your go-to. They're so much high in vitamin C than even oranges. Perfect for your immune system. They also contain lutein, which protects eyes damage and reduces cataract in the eyes. Interested, right? I'm not done. It also contains potassium that helps the heart and many more nutritious value that I haven't even mentioned. There you have it. What are you waiting for? Add green bell peppers to your groceries list today. Let's make rice noodles with veggies. Start by boiling your water. Let it get to a boil to about 80%. Add your rice noodles whole. Sprinkle a bit of salt. You can break it if you like, but I like mine whole. Then cover. It is not a pasta, so don't cook your rice noodles. You just need to rehydrate it in the hot water. While all that is going on, get all your veggies. Get them ready. By Julian, all the veggies. That means cutting them in a long strips. Then chop the celery and garlic. Crack the eggs and let's start the quick stir fry. The rice noodles are soft and ready. Scramble your eggs with a bit of butter and a drizzle of vegetable oil. Add your garlic and all the veggies mixed together. Mix. And add your bouillon cubes, your spices, light soy sauce, and now the rice noodles. Mix together. And your rice noodles and veggies are officially ready. Quick, healthy, and easy. I really like it when I can enjoy my veggies like this. Recreate this recipe. Keep watching and subscribe for more interesting food, nutritious facts, and delicious recipes. Thank you.